Hi everyone, this is Swooze, and today I've decided to do my first giveaway. After my great random chemist haul, I've decided to give the items away, as I do plan on going back and getting some more of those bargains. So I'm going to tell you what the items are first and then what the conditions are. Okay, so first I've got Prestige Skin Loving Minerals, and this one's in violets, and it's a shimmering trio, and it's got 3 colors in the back here. I did get the emerald one as well. I've got on today, and there's not much fallout in it, which is really good. And the second item is the L'Oreal Hip Shadow Duo, and this one is in electrified, and I've seen a few of tutorials of these on YouTube, so that would be handy too if you want to know how to apply it in a certain way. So I've got these 2 items to give away. Now this is what you need to do. You do need to be a subscriber if you aren't already, so please hit subscribe, and I'd like you to leave a comment down below saying what your best beauty bargain item has been, because I love a bargain, so I'd love to hear about them, and I'm going to choose what I think is the best one, or the best 2, because I have 2 items to give away. You do need to be of age, so please get your parent or guardian permission, because I do need to know your address to send it. You don't have to be in Australia. I can ship it internationally, that's fine, and I will be announcing the winner on Friday the 27th of January, so the day after Australia Day, for all those Aussies out there, and saying what the comment was and announcing the 2 winners. So get subscribing, you YouTubers, and leave those comments, and I'll be back to announce it on the 27th of January. Toodles!